Hi everyone, it's Thomas here from COTbase.com. Welcome to this week's COT review, where we're going to check out the 29th report of this year. Again, for those viewers who are new to COT or commitments of traders, just check out our guide video to the weekly review or the more detailed what is COT analysis video. And we've got our on COT page at our website for more information there. Let's get started and check out changes in commercials positions. There we go. And right off, we're going to open the 2-year notes where we had a 39% sell signal. A pretty decent large move. We're going to check the 5-year chart to see what that shows us. Okay, well, you can see that commercials are definitely at extreme levels. Also, small speculators are very optimistic about the market. So a perfect picture is being painted right now, and it's a good combination for a sell opportunity. And also, if we look at the chart a bit closer, in let's say a 2-year time frame, we can see that we've got some pretty decent resistance levels not far if you're looking for a good stop level. Okay, moving on, let's check out the feeder cattle. We've got a 20% buy signal over there from commercials. Also, we've got an all-time COT extreme situation. So we're going to open the 5-year chart to see what that shows us. Yep, most definitely commercials are at extreme levels, that's for sure. So let's just have a look at what prices have done in such cases when commercials were in such extreme levels. Prices went higher actually in the longer term. So we could be expecting something similar this time. Of course, timing is always the key question. When? Anyways, moving on, let's have a look at the 5-year note. Also a relatively large sell signal, 17% sell signal over there. Opening the 5-year chart. See what that shows us. The picture is a bit different from the 2-year notes. I would say 2-year notes may have a bit more opportunity there on the short side, but of course they correlate, so both markets can drop. Let's go on and check out the COT extremes for large speculators. We've got the Chicago wheat up on top with an all-time COT extreme. Prices are pretty dynamic, moving up, 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 up. There we go. So we've got the large speculators at all-time levels. Here we go. But also commercials are at extreme levels, and small speculators are very optimistic about the market too. So we're going to be expecting something to happen shortly. If we look back in past, we've got some pretty hectic moves. Even in a 5-year time frame, we can see that. Let's have a look at natural gas. We have a 209 report extreme in commercials and 212 in large speculators. We've been looking at this market in the past couple of weeks. Nothing really changed. Large speculators are net short. Currently, prices are very, very, very low in a historical sense. Moving on, let's just have a look at small speculator COT extreme. We've got soybeans on top, but we also have a all-time COT extreme in commercials there. So, actually, if you look at the chart right over here, we can see that small speculators just became net long. So they're definitely very optimistic about the market. So, well, I'm not saying just go short in this market right now. Prices are very, very hectic and moving up. So I wouldn't be surprised if they go above 2,000. But definitely in the near term, couple of weeks, I would be expecting a good opportunity to go short. I think that's going to be all for this week. I appreciate your attention. Thanks very much for being with me. Again, for those viewers who would like to have a more detailed analysis, just check out our subscription service at COTbase.com, where you're going to find a lot of other great functions, other COT report types, data types, and so on. So thanks very much for your attention. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.